going to be showing you how to add sound effects to your videos using Capcut app. We have two types of sound effects. One from Capcut app, the other one you download it outside Capcut. Please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you will understand the tutorial very well. Please don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, comment and share this video for others to learn from it. If you have done that, thanks very much, and let's go straight to the tutorial. Now, to add sound effects to your video and two different types of sound effects, let's go to our Capcut, right? Click on your Capcut, watch my red arrow. After clicking on your Capcut, it will open like this. You click on new project, watch my red arrow. Now it will display like this for you to select the video you want. In my own case, I will select this one, watch my arrow. To select it, you will tap on it, right? Then you watch my right hand side, you click on this HD, right? And add, watch my circle and add the video, right? Now our video has been added or has been downloaded in our Capcut, right? Now look at where we are going to click for our sound effect. Watch my circle, my red circle. This red circle, now you see audio, click on audio. Now after clicking on audio, it will display this page. This page now will open. Watch my red circle. We have sounds here, right? And this sounds now is our own sound that we do download in our phone. For instance, all these sound effects we used to see in videos online, like there is God o, only you waka come, or ide mumu. So it's from this sound, so now you can add it. Now you come this side, this is sound FS, right? This sound FS is the sound from Capcut. You can add it from Capcut. All the sound you use to, maybe when you see some video, you will see when something they display something, you will do shim. That's where you get the sound. So let me show you how to use those sound effects now. Let's go. First, click on sounds, the way the sounds we do downloading our phone. Let me show you. Let me start from there first. Click on it. It's downloading. Now, before now, you download sounds you want, all those sound effects, you will download them in your phone. So after clicking on that sound now, it will display here. So the next place you are going to go now, watch my circle, you click here. This my circle, that this place I circle that look like a file, you click on it, right? After clicking on it, it will display this. Now watch my arrow, click on device, right? Click on device. Now after clicking on device, it will show you this. Now here, those are sounds, downloaded sounds I downloaded in my phone. So let us just play one now for you to see. For instance, let's play this one. Now to play this sound, now look at where you are going to click. To play this sound, you will click. For instance, I want to play this. You click this, watch my circle, my red circle. This sound sign, you click on it to test the one, if it's the one you want. Let's click on it to test it, right? You see? So now to add this sound now, here is where you will click. You see this plus sign, you will click on it. Now the sound will be added, right? Let's click on it. I have just added the sound. Now let's play our video. Now you will hear the iwi. Three ways. Now let's play our video to see that sound we just added. Three ways. You see the sound effect, right? So the next one we are going to go now. The second one I showed you is sounds FS. The one I told you that is Capcut that has it, right? So let's go there now, right? Here is the sound FS. Watch my circle. You click on it. So after clicking on it, it will open this page now. You see, they have many sounds effects here. Like this one now, you can go on. You click here. The one I normally use is this one. Watch my circle. This trending. Let us click on it. Now, look at the ones this trending have. As I taught you now, that if you want to test those sounds now, you will click on that sound sign. It will check if it's the one you want. For instance, this one is typing. This one is revise. This one is a happy ending, right? You know where I'm clicking to test the sound now. Let me circle it again. It's all this sound sign. That's where you will test it. That's where I'm clicking. So for you to know, right? So now let us check one more. This one, watch. This one is explosion. So to add a sound now, let us just add explosion. You know how I taught you now. You click on plus sign here. Watch my arrow to add the sound, right? You click on it. Let us play it now to check. You see, the thing just explode. You see, so now I will teach you another thing now. So this sound, you will always add the sound where you want it in your video. You will not just add it, right? For instance, now let me delete this one I put before. Let me delete it. So for instance, now some of my video you used to see, if my video just starts, you hear explosion or you hear revise. So you make this ruler to be at the place you want that sound to start. For instance, here is the ruler. Here is the ruler. Now watch my circle. Here, this blue ruler. This white this thing is the ruler. This white line is the ruler. So if you want to add a sand, you place your sand on it. You place it on where you want the sand to start. For instance, I want the sand to start from the beginning now. Then I will click on sand FS, right? When I click on sand FS, it will open. Let me put it on that explosion. You see, it will start there now. Let's play the video. So anywhere, if you want it at the center, anywhere you talk something, you want it to the sound to go start from there. Like here, this ruler now. You place this ruler here. Then you go and click on sound effects or the other sound. Let's say, let us type on reverse and reverse plus. Let's play the sound. You see, so that's how to add sound effects to your video, and that's the two different types of sounds we have in Capcut. You can download in your video whenever you are doing your video tutorial. So go and try it now. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, follow, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye for now. Peace.